Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Rednote account. So if you also want to log in Rednote account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So Rednote account is basically like the TikTok account. You'll be able to create the short videos and posts. So if you also want to log into Rednote account, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Rednote application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Rednote application has been opened. Initially, you'll be left to this kind of interface. Now, in order to log in, you can see the option for WeChat over here. If you tap on it, you'll be able to log in with WeChat. But you can also find other login methods. Simply tap on the option or the login methods that you can see on the screen. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find the login methods. You'll be able to log in with Facebook, Google or mobile number. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on the Google option. Now what you have to do is agree to the terms, privacy policy and protection rules for children or teenagers. Simply tap on the option agreed and continued that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you'll easily be logged into your account. If you have multiple accounts on your device, you'll have to choose an account to continue. After that, you can see over here, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Rednote account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.